Hey guys, out in the shop again today, and we're working on this 2014 Civic. Today we're going to be changing the thermostat. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is jack up the car just a little so you can get some of the covers off and drain a little bit of coolant out of the radiator. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a little bit of room by removing this little hose for the airbox. So it's a little bit tricky to pull off, but you just give it a good enough pull and it comes right out. So now we have a lot more room to work here. Okay, so now we're just going to pull these hoses off. We're going to move this big one on top out of the way. Just gonna move that out of the way so we can access the lower hose here with the thermostat. I'm just gonna loosen these guys up. Move this bracket out of the way. Now we're just going to pull that open. You can see the thermostat right here. And here's our new one and our new seal. So I'm just going to put this seal on in the same orientation as the existing one. You can see here it lines up with that little dimple. Now there's little tabs on the seal that are going to line up with the little tabs on the top of the thermostat housing, and that's to make sure that the little ball stays on the top. Pop this guy back in. Wipe down the front side of the housing. Put that on. Now we can get that hose back on. Now we can put that airbox pipe back on. And that's it. Now we're just going to top up our fluid and we should be good. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And I'll see you in the next one.